Pedestrian, you gotta slow down. Damn, it's nice out here. I think it's a bad idea to go in the middle because look, there's freaking sand right there. Let's go on the way out from Valley of Fire. It's 11:07. Damn, look at the rock formations over here. Nice. Nice rock formation. Let's get it. Sheesh. Damn, it's still windy. What's going on? Wow, check that out. I traveled about 60 miles. What the hell is that? Is that a drone? What the fuck is that? Oh no, it's a camera. And 1 bar gone. I'm full tank. Damn, look at that. Crazy out here. I went down there hiking before I remembered. Gotta pay attention because shit. Woo! Damn! I don't know if you guys can see that through my GoPro. Sick. That's all I can say. Sick. Sick. Damn! Look at that shit. We're on a different planet. We're not even from freaking Earth now. Somewhere else. Dude, I gotta pay attention. Pedestrian, you gotta slow down. Damn, it's nice out here. Wow, you got friggin' a dip coming through. Wank. Not good for the forks, bro. It's not good for the forks. Fork seal's gonna start leaking. Look at that. God damn. Alright, I gotta slow down over here because this road is not good. I keep saying it, but I'm trying to follow their pace right now in front. Yeah, I just gotta chill out. I already know I know where we're going. I know our destination, so that should be good. They can get ahead of me. Ah! Over there. Damn! Look at that! You guys see that? I'm gonna try just staying still right now so you guys could kind of see what I'm looking at. Alright, let's go over here in the front. Damn! That's nice. It's nice, nice, nice. Oh shoot, you got freaking rocks over here. look at that shit. Oh shit. This is a turd. Yo, how come that freaking top of that mountain is like flat? I don't know if you guys can see that on my GoPro, but that thing looks like flat up there. Damn. It's a weird one. Pretty sure it's natural. I'm over here thinking of like something conspiracy. I know, it's just natural. That's where we went last time, right there. Yep. Yeah, that's a turn. Just like a lot to see right now. Taking pictures. Why not? From like Italy. I think it's a bad idea to go to bed because look, there's freaking sand right there. Stick on the side. Damn, look at this. It's like a gateway to somewhere. Oh god, damn, shit is nice. To say, just enjoying the view right now, you know, just taking it in. Whew, get some fresh air real quick. Got people over there enjoying. Then there's like a barbecue or party over there going over there. Ah, this road's bad, bro. This road's like see the cracks. It's nice. Let's get it. It's hard just a little bit. Damn, going back is like holy quick. But going there, it took a little bit longer. Brake. Damn, look at the view. Put it right there on the frame sliders. Rest your feet, your legs. There's a visitor center, so we pretty much came in here, went back this way, and then behind the visitor center. But that's the visitor center, Valley of Fire. Now we're gonna make a right, heading out now. I'm on high gear. Got a downshift here. Las Vegas, 49 miles. Okay. Pretty much it. There's a little bit more over here to see, so I'm just gonna keep recording. But that's pretty much where all the good stuff is at right there, just right behind the visitor center. So if you guys want to go Valley of Fire, go towards that way. Let's see, more red rocks, I guess, if you want to say. Yep. Red rocks. Oops, I didn't know I was in 6th gear, so I went to shift. I went to quick shift. But yeah, there's more shit right here. Ow! Hold on this side. Let me close my friggin' visor. Getting teary-eyed right now. I think I went over there and took a picture before. Yeah, right there. Rock formation over there. But yeah, that's pretty much Valley of Fire. We're heading out, so there's nowhere to see after this. No more. See, that's pretty much it. This is the end of it right here. So we came from the back side, but the usual entrance is from this side right here, from the 15. You could come through this way, but we came from the back side. But that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out, guys. Later.